I look different.
You look different.
I look really weird. Pasensya na po. Hello, we're back. We will be doing the Australian, the Tagalog tongue twister challenge. We were just gonna do the dan, speak few Tagalog phrases and words, but I was like, let's do the tongue twister. Let me just look for it. Tagalog tongue twisters. Okay. Okay. I have, dang, there's heaps in here. I'm gonna Pugong bukid, pugong gubat.
Pugi bukid pungkap kapat. Is that right? Pugi bukid pungkap kapat.
Pugong.
Pugong.
Bukid.
Bukid.
Pugong.
Pugong.
Gubat.
Gubat.
Pugong bukid, pugong gubat.
Puging bukid pugong pagap.
We should have started with words first before the tongue twister.
What's that saying?
I don't know what's pugong bukid. I don't know what that is. That's, I think, a deep Tagalog word, pugong. You need to say it fast 3 times.
Puging bukid pugong pagap. Puging bukid pugong kapat. Puging bukid pagap pagap.
I'll take that one.
Good. That's what you're getting.
Okay, number 2. Kabilugan ng buwan, buwan ng kabilugan.
Kalabugan kebang, pagalugan kebang.
You're not even trying.
I am trying.
Just read it slowly.
Kabalugan gebag. Is that it?
What's gabag? NG is nang.
Kalabugan nang gebagan. What's that about?
Buwan.
Bawan. Kalabugan nyuan bawan.
Kabilugan.
Kabalugan.
Ng buwan.
Nabang
Buwan.
bawan.
Buwan.
Bawan.
Ng
Nang
kabilugan.
kabalugan.
Okay, again.
Kalabugan nyuan bawan bagan balugan kabalugan.
Say it 3 times.
I'm not saying that one.
Butiki, bituka, butika.
Butiki, butika, butika. Is that right?
Butiki.
Butiki, butika, butika. That's right?
You got the first word right. Butiki.
Yeah.
Bituka.
Butiki, butika, butika.
Bituka.
Butika,
That's the last word.
butiki.
That sounds so cute. Butiki. Butiki. Butiki.
Butiki,
Bituka.
butika,
Butika.
butika.
Say it 3 times.
Butiki, butika, butika. Butiki, butika, butika, butika.
Oh
Okay,
my
number
god.
6.
That's so hard. Number 5. Palakang kabkab, kumakalabkab, kakakalabukab pa lamang.
I'm not doing that one.
I can't even do it. Okay, number 6. Sinusi ni Susan ang sisidlan ng sisiw. Sinusi ni Susan ang sisidlan ng sisiw.
Sinasan, Susan, Sinasi, Susana, Sisil.
Sisaw. Read it. Close.
Sunasi, Sunasan, un Sinasenten, Sinasi.
You're just playing. You're not even reading it.
I
Can
am.
you read it?
Sunasi,
Sinusi
Sinusi,
ni.
Ni, that's Susan in English.
Yeah, Susan. Yeah.
Susan. And,
Ang sisidlan
Sisidlan,
ng
Nang,
sisiw.
Sisu.
Sisu.
Sinasu, Sinak, Susan, Ang, Sinasi, Susu. What does that mean?
Something with a key and Susan.
You never know the language yourself.
No, I can't explain it. Sisi was a little, chick. Is it a chick? A chick! Small chicken. What do you call small chicken? A small chicken. What do you call it? Chick? A chick?
Drumstick. Small chicken.
A small cute chicken. A chick?
That might be a chick.
Yeah, right? It's
Okay.
a chick. Pitumput, pitong puting pating. Read it closely.
Pit you put. Pitta on. Pitting. that right?
Yeah, with Tagalog, babe, you have to like emphasize the P, the tu. There's no tong and T. So if it's
T-I-G
P-A,
is tong.
tong,
Tong,
right?
tong.
If it's P-A, pa. It's not pa, it's pa. If it's T-I-P. So again, P.
Pita put, pong, puting, patang.
Pating!
Pating.
Pating! It's,
Pating.
yeah, again.
Pating. Pita put, pita pong, piting, pating.
That's really good, babe. I think that's the best so far. Pitong put! Pitong puting!
Pita pot, pita pong, pita pong.
Notebook at aklat, notebook at aklat, notebook at aklat!
Naput at kalat, naput at telat, penaput at telat.
Notebook, babe, notebook.
Fucking said no. Not to put at telat, not to put at lak.
You didn't say notebook, this is notebook, notebook.
Notebook.
Notebook at aklat.
Not to book at the clock.
No.
Notebook at the clock. Notebook at the clock.
That's really good. That's really good. You got it right. Notebook at aklat. Again.
Nah, I've got it once.
No, you got it right.
Next one.
Just read it again.
Nah.
Okay. Bababa ka ba? Bababa din ako.
Ba 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 say ba ba ba. Nah, ba 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 ka ba ba ding dong go. Ba ba ka ba 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 da. Say it again. Man.
Bababa. So there's
Ba
three.
ba ba
Kaba.
ka ba
Bababa din ako.
ba 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 ding ko.
Again.
Ba 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 ka ba 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 ba. Right. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ka ba 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 gindoko.
Kapapansin
Ah, di that one.
area. Yeah, that's hard. I don't even know what that is.
No one.
Pinaputi ni Tepikti.
No.
No. Ah, this one. Number 12. Ang relo ni Leroy ay Rolex.
Ana rela nen loyole ana Rolex.
Ang relo
Ana relo
ni
ni
Leroy.
Leroy.
That's a name.
Yeah,
That's-
Leroy's the name. Yeah.
Yeah, ay Rolex.
I Rolex.
Again. Ang relo
Ana lo. Ana Leroy. Ana Rolex. Ana relo and Leroy are Rolex. What's wrong with that?
Ang what's wrong? Nothing's wrong with that at all. Ang relo ni Leroy ay Rolex.
Ana relo ni la Rolex. Ana Rolex. No. Ana relo and Leroy are la Rolex. Next one.
Bumili ako ng bituka ng butiki sa butika.
Bunili anak ko butiki an buka ta en butka.
Where's N? That's sa.
Angie.
Nang.
Nang.
NG is nang.
Butili at ko at nang butika and
Can you
butka.
read?
I am reading.
Bumili.
Bunili.
Bumi.
Buni.
M. Bumi.
Bumili.
Bumili ako.
Bumili ako. Nang butika ang butiki sa butika.
Oh yeah, read again.
Bumili ang nung butika nung butiki a bukala. Isa.
Bumili ako ng bituka ng butiki sa butika. Bumili ako ng bituka ng butiki sa butika. Bumili ako ng bituka ng butiki sa butika. Bumili ako ng bituka ng
What is
butiki
the
sa
name?
butika.
What's the name?
What's butiki? Lizards. I got lizards guts at the chemist.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's just to make your tongue twist.
Okay.
But yeah, it doesn't make sense, but whatever. Pasko, paksiw, Pasko, paksiw, Pasko, paksiw, Pasko, paksiw, Pasko, paksiw.
Pasco, Paxi, Paxco, Paxi, Pasco, Paxi.
Paksiw.
Paxu.
Paksiw.
Paxio.
Okay.
Pasco, Paski, Pasco, Paski, Pasco, Paski.
Paksiw.
Pasco.
Paksiw.
Pasco.
Paksiw.
So.
Siw.
Hmm.
Again. Pasko, paksiw.
Pasco, Paxi, Pasco, Paxi, Pasco, Paxi. Next one.
Paxio.
I don't like that one.
Ako ay biik, ikaw ay baboy. Do you know what this is?
No.
I'm a piglet, you're a pig. Ako ay biik, ikaw ay baboy.
Ako am Biki ano baboy.
Ako ay
Ako ay
biik.
Bikik.
Biik.
Bikik.
Bi.
Big.
Ik.
Ik.
Biik.
Anko bikik. Akoy ababaw. Bad boy.
Ba.
Ba.
Boy. So it's like a bad boy without a D.
Bad boy.
Yeah.
Nothing saying.
Ko.
Ako. Biki.
Biik.
Bikik. Big ik.
Bi.
Big.
Ik.
Ik.
Bi. Ikaw.
Akaw.
I.
I.
Kau.
Cow.
I.
I.
Baboy.
Baboy.
Okay, again.
I don't know. Akoy. Big ik. Akoy. Baboy. What does that mean?
I'm a piglet, you're a pig.
Okay.
I'm a
That one
piglet,
wasn't.
you're a pig. Ang bra ni Barbara ay nabara.
Ang ba.
Bra! Bra.
I know, this is it. Ang bra in Barbara nabra.
Ang bra ni Barbara ay nabara.
An bra and bra in bra in baba in a bra. Ang ba in baba in anabra. Alright?
Say it 3 times.
Ang bra in baba nanabra.
Okay. Again.
Ang bra in baba nanabra.
It's not in, it's ni.
Ni.
Buwaya bayawak. Buwaya bayawak.
Buwaya nabra.
Here, babe. Buwaya
Buwaya
bayawak.
baawak. Buwaya bawawak.
Baya.
Baya.
Wak.
Wak.
Buwaya.
Buwawa bawak.
What's buwawa? Where's buwawa?
Buwawa.
Buwaya.
Buyak.
Buya. Buwaya.
Buwaya
Bayawak.
bawak.
Okay, we're almost done. Pitong puting tupa.
Puting putang tupak.
Again. Pi.
Putong puting tupak.
Good! That's good. Again.
No, we done it once. Do another one.
Do it again. Just do it again. Pitong.
Putong puting tupak.
Tupa.
Tupak.
There's no C.
Tupak.
Tupa.
Tupak.
Tupa. Good job, babe.
Thank you.
Aba. Bababa ka ba, baba?
Aba bababa kaba bababa.
Yay! Aba. Bababa ka ba, baba?
Akaba bababa kaba kababa.
Kababa? Bitong tutong alias ketong ang hari ng mga bulutong.
Butong.
Betong.
Betong. Tutong. Ala. Katong. Ang. Hari. Nyang. Moga. Bulagatong.
That's a really low one. It's
That's
a
a
hard
hard one.
There's so many N.
There's so many
There's
mistakes
so
here.
many G. Bitong, tutong, alias ketong ang hari ng mga bulutong.
Bulutong.
Yep. Again.
Bulutong.
You got that one right.
Okay, let's move on.
Betong.
Betong. Tutong. Ala. Katong. Ang. Hala. La. Butong.
Buluto, you're just giving up. Like, tong, 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 tong,
Last
tong,
one.
tong,
Choose a lucky last one.
Okay. My balance looks really weird.
Okay, let's do the last one.
Okay, the last one is ni Kaniko ni Moniko ang makina ni Monica.
Ooh. Minikano ne Monica and Minika and Monica.
Read it closely and slowly.
Minna Kanako, right?
Yep.
Nai.
Ni.
Ni. Monaco. Ein. Monica.
Makina.
Makina and Monica.
Ni.
Ni.
Monica.
Monica.
Again.
Manico. Ni. Monaco. And Manikina. Mona. Monica.
That's the last one?
That's the last one.
That's the last one. You did good, babe.
Thank you. Thank you.
It was his first time reading tongue twister, guys. Like, first time. So you did alright. Did you understand?
We haven't practiced Tagalog words in a long time.
Yeah. No, I teach you Bisaya as well, not really Tagalog. You know sige, that's it. Chaka, really simple ones.
Yeah.
But no, this is not the words that you usually teach people as well. This is tongue twister, so it is on the higher level than just Tagalog words.
Okay.
But yeah, you did good. It was funny. Ako ay biik, ikaw ay baboy.
Okay.
But I'm a piglet, you're a pig. That is it for our video.
No more challenges for me for 1 month.
1 month, but you need to vlog. You said yes to the vlog already.
Yeah, but when I'm ready.
Right. So when
This
are
year.
you be ready?
This year.
This year. Perfect.
This year.
You need to vlog one day, babe.
One day.
Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget to get bigger.
Big.